Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, MLT Pa channel. I just want to thank you all guys for watching and supporting my channel and watching my reaction video. I'm very happy on that because of your support guys, and I'm excited to do more reaction video because of you guys, no? Thank you so much once again. And today's video we will gonna be reacting. For sure it will entertain you because we will reacting the remote control challenge of Marcelito Pomoy to the tune of Endless Love. So I hope you know this song, and I love this song. If I heard this song, oh, I fall in love again. Wow. Endless love, my love. There's only you in my life. So I know you are excited because I'm excited also. It's very obvious, you know. So, without further ado, we will watch together.
Meron ako ipapakanta sa'yo, pero pag pinundot kita, kailangan mag-change ka ng key. Kung lalaki ka sa simula, kailangan mag-change ka ng pambabae. Pag pumindot ako ulit, from pambabae, mag-change ka naman sa lalaki. Tapos palit lang ng palit. Okay?
Hard.
Okay.
I think it's very hard.
Endless love. Do it talaga yan.
Wow.
Sisimula tayo sa lalaki, ha? Tut.
My love, there's only you in my life. The only things that's right.
Ang galing, ang daming S. Tut.
My first love, you're every breath that I take, you're every step I make.
Wait, wow. You see that, guys? No, remote control, no? Male and female voice. Wow, it's very hard, you know. If the host will press the remote control, the button, no, he will sing. First male voice, then female voice. Wow, very hard and exciting. So let's continue.
Masado. Tut.
Wow.
Tut. Tut.
Oh wow. Wow. Oh, come on. Wow. See, you witness the entertaining videos of Marcelito Pomoy. Wow. I'm so amazed, you know. So, changing voice from male to female, I don't think so. We can do that, but Marcelito Pomoy managed to do that. Wow. Continue.
In your eyes, they tell me how much you care. Oh, yes. You will always be.
Wow. See the changing of the voice is very fast as well, no? Wow, it's so amazing and a big wow. Wow, continue. Wow! Wow, so amazing.
Palakpakan natin, Marcelito Pomoy!
Salamat, salamat.
How? There you go, guys. Wow. I'm first time I saw the video, no. I definitely click it and watch. Oh, actually, this is my. I'm not sure when it posted, and just now I saw the video. Wow, I'm so excited to do the reaction, and wow, I'm having fun watching it, especially the changing of the voice from male to female. It's very hard, you know, and you witness his voice. Oh, it's very calming and very you will be amazed. I'm very amazed of what Marcelito Pomoy did on this episode, you know. For sure if you watch my reaction video and his video as well, you will be entertained and having fun, you know. Wow, amazing. Bravo, Marcelito Pomoy of the Philippines. And that's all for tonight, guys. I hope and I know that you have fun watching his remote control challenge to the tune of Endless Love. Thank you so much, Marcelito Pomoy, for sharing your talent to us. And we are so proud of you. And thank you so much. And that's all for tonight, guys. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that every time I have a new video, you will be updated. And if you have any comment and suggestion, guys, for Marcelito Pomoy next reaction video, don't hesitate to comment down below, and you're most welcome. And thank you so much. Take care always. Stay safe. God bless you. And bye.